how to create and change chart style in Excel. So let's start to first open your Excel, and you can see I have student data. So first select the entire data. So select here entire data and go to the insert tab in charts group. So here I select the pie chart. I select the 2D pie chart, first one, and here you see the pie chart is insert with the chart design tab and format tab here also added. To change the chart style, first click on the chart, and after select the chart, go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see the different chart style is available. So I select this one and see the changes over here. Now I select the next and see here the chart style is changed. You can change the color also. Here you can see in chart style group, change color option also available. So you can select the different color. See the changes over here. So I select the different color, and this is the way you can change your chart style. Okay. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.